How to remove suggestion on Messenger? Here's how. First, open the Messenger and in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now tap on the settings. You'll find and tap on the privacy and safety. Under the privacy section, look for the hidden contacts and click on it. Select the add icon at the top to start selecting the contact you want to hide. Now choose the contact and confirm your action. And they just won't show up as a suggestion anymore. Messenger can sync your phone contact to recommend people you may know. If you want to stop that, go back to the settings menu and scroll until you see the account center. Select it to open. Furthermore, tap on your information and permission. Then click on the upload contacts option. To stop the syncing, tap on the messenger option. Here, select the upload contacts at the top and hit the turn off button. If you want to remove any previously synced contact, choose the manage contact. Messenger will redirect you to our browser where you will see all the synced contact linked to your account. Lastly, hit the delete all contact to remove them from the messenger. You have successfully removed the suggestion on Messenger.